This visualization explores what kind of energy resources are available to Haitian households for electricity and cooking. It uses data from FAFO and the Haitian Institute of Childhood. Over 2,000 households were surveyed, the majority of which were West State. You can see the location of respondents on this map here on the right. Half of the households with CDWs have no electricity in their quarter or village. Instead, they must rely on candles or kerosene lamps for light. Houses without electricity are more likely to use wood to cook rather than charcoal. When looking just at CDW households without electricity, 86% use wood while only 14% use charcoal. Yet, when looking at CDW households with electricity, 79% use charcoal, 14% use wood, and 5% even use propane gas. Now, when looking at households without CDWs, a greater percentage, 56%, have electricity in the quarter or village. Candles and kerosene lamps are still popular options for houses without electricity. Charcoal is still more popular as an energy for cooking among houses with electricity than those without it. Some trends to note. Almost half of the Restvik respondent population have no electricity in their quarter or village. While there is no electricity, most of them use candles or kerosene as their source of light compared to other resources like private generator, propane lamp, rechargeable battery, or solar energy. Also, most of the population depend on wood and charcoal as their main energy for cooking.